Hey everybody, it is December and you guys know what that means. Each new month is a new challenge in our design community. So this month, our challenge is designing a homepage for our favorite music artist of choice. This could be past, present, or you can make a music artist out of thin air to create a homepage for.
Hey!
Now listen, because we're not discriminating on how you want to submit your work for this challenge, you guys can submit a screenshot, a prototype that can either be a video or a link to your prototype, or you can submit if you want to take it to the next level, because we are, so gung-ho about EditorX. If you guys want to create your entire vision and website in EditorX and submit the link to that website, be my guest. But let's talk about how the challenge works, what the deadlines, dates, all those things are, and what you guys get for actually joining this challenge. And of course, if you guys haven't already, this whole challenge is within our Discord. So if you haven't joined for free, go in the link in the description or click this right here to go to our Discord, sign up for free, and join hundreds of creatives, devs, and designers like yourselves to really do some amazing things and meet some cool people. So let's dive in, let's talk dates, specifics, and all that good stuff. All right, guys, so this challenge is from December 1st to December 19th. So that means the last submission that you can drop into our Discord is December 19th. The submissions close end of day, the 19th of December. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's how you submit your work into our Discord. It's very easy. If you guys sign up to our Discord for free, like I mentioned, take a look and watch this, and this is exactly how you submit your work. So it's very simple. The first one, once you join our Discord community, and obviously after you accept our terms of service for the challenge, there's two places in particular you want to check. First off, in the information section, we have our monthly challenge right here, and basically you will be able to see not only our current challenge, but our past challenges as well. Basically, this channel is all about, hey, it's this month. What's the theme? How do I join? Where do I submit? That's it. Now, in regards to submitting your own challenge, we have a new channel called Challenge Submissions. All you need to do here is pretty simple. When you have your submission ready and it's in the theme of the month, this is what you got to do. First off, you are going to type in your first name, last name, your Instagram account if you have one, and just submit or upload either your images, your artboards, or a URL or a link to a prototype or an EditorX website, whatever you want to submit for the actual challenge. So for example, if I were to do this, it would simply be Brandon Groce, my Instagram, if I could spell, and then I would simply upload my file just like this, and I would hit enter. So pretty easy stuff, and we'll also make sure that we have a pinned format for you guys to just copy and paste, so it's an easy day and you guys don't have to remember. So let's dive a little bit more into the dates. We talked about the submission dates. We talked about how to submit your work, what you can submit. You can submit images, video, or links to your prototype and or website that you've built in EditorX. Now let's dive into the other dates that we have here as well. So December 23rd, this is on a Wednesday. During our design and chat sessions, we are going to pick an honorable mention live with you in the community to showcase or really pick the top of the line design, link, prototype, website that has been submitted. But listen here, all of you guys win. Here's why. Because we are doing this challenge in partnership with WixFix, aka Ryan, we are going to basically make sure that we highlight everybody who has done this challenge. And my team are going to create a video showcase of everybody who has submitted work in this challenge and stitch together every one of your guys' designs and put it in front of between 100 and 200,000 people. So anybody or all of you who want to build your brand, showcase your skill set, or really just show people what you got. We know that these challenges, and we hope that these challenges are here for you to learn, to partake in, have fun, and just try new things in a low stakes game. But we want to give you guys something in return and basically show your skill sets, your hard work, and your effort to the world. We have large audiences and we want to give back and show the world the amazing things that you guys do. So that is what you're going to get for participating. Not only are you going to learn, meet cool people, and be able to try things in a low stakes environment, but you guys are also going to be shown to the world, between 100 and 200,000 people, the hard work that you guys have put into this challenge. So with that being said, we are going to be dropping that video on December 25th. So watch out for that. We'll make sure to tag you guys in it, so on and so forth. So ladies and gentlemen, in summary, dates to know, we're starting December 1st. The deadline for submissions is the 19th of December. We are picking an honorable mention on the 23rd in our Discord chat called Design and Chat. It's live. We start at 1 p.m. EST and go to 5 p.m. EST. But we're gonna, at the beginning of that meeting, we're going to have declared our honorable mention for the challenge. On December 25th, we are releasing the showcase of all of the challenge submission designs on our social medias in an amazing video to show the world your amazing work. If you guys have any questions on this challenge, very simply, make sure to DM me on Discord, and I'll be sure to answer you within the same day so that you guys can very quickly get your answer and get on with the challenge, okay? So with that said, I hope you guys have fun. I look forward to seeing you and your design submission for this challenge, and I cannot wait to see what you guys do. With that said, I'll see you guys in the Discord and hope to see you there. See you guys. Brandon Groce, out.